Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the leaderboard settings in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by pressing clicking on this clipboard in the main menu, or by pressing the escape key and then going into settings. Once in settings, select game and scroll down to leaderboards. Here you can opt out of the leaderboards, therefore your score won't be tracked, you won't be present in the leaderboard. If you toggle this off, you can enter your username, you can also get a Discord key to get access to the Iron Nest Discord. I won't actually click it. If you click it, you can also get a new code if you close the game and reboot it. Once you are done adjusting those, hit apply, and then you can simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.